What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today we're gonna just go over the special features on the OnePlus 12. So pretty much how you get to this is you would just want to go into your settings app, and you would want to scroll down to where you see special features. So the first one on the list is split view. So if you drag swipe three fingers for split view. So say I was in my text messaging app, but I wanted to do something else. All I would need to do is just swipe up my three fingers, and then you would want to open up another app, and you can have your split view mode right there. And that is a very nice little touch right there. That's just a quick little feature you can do. But then you can also, that was split view. So next we'll drop down to flexible window. So pretty much with this, all it says quickly open windows. It says turn an app into a floating window from the recent task screen or certain notifications. So pretty much you can do button free mode. It says hide action buttons. You can tap the bar at the top of a window to show the close button. I don't know if I have that set, but you can use that if you want to use that. Then it has quick hide window in games. It says during a game, tap outside a floating window to hide it at the left or the right edge. Then you can do share via floating window when sharing files or connect to an app. Open the app in a floating window. So all of these you can toggle them on, but for this sake I do not want to toggle them on. But you get flexible window. You also get quick return. So this says go back to an app, tap a title to go back to the app in full screen or in floating window. So I have that turned on, and it says it supports 0 apps, so I don't think I'm going to be able to demonstrate this right here at the moment. But you do have access to that. Quick return. You also get quick launch. So it says touch and hold the fingerprint scanner until, so let's cut that on real quick and I'll demonstrate this. It says touch and hold the fingerprint scanner until icons appear. Without lifting your finger, slide it to an icon and then release to launch the corresponding function or app. And then it says immediately after unlocking the screen using your fingerprint and before icons appear, quickly slide your finger to the area where the target icon usually appears and release to launch the function. So I can edit this, come down here, and I can put certain apps that I want to use with this feature in here. So let's just go add a few apps real quick. Well, let's just leave it to, those are functions. Let's do the Bible real quick, and then the camera, and let's do contacts. So I'm going to hit save. And then let's go demonstrate this. So it says use the fingerprint without lifting it. And just like that, you get access to going to different apps on your home, on the lock screen. And if you click on it, you'll open it. So I'm going to show you that one more time. So you just hold down, and then you get access to different apps that you could use. Quick access. And I really do like that. But if you do not want to use that feature, all you would need to do is come back to special features, go to quick launch, and you can toggle that off because I really don't need that at the moment. Then you also get smart sidebar, and this is the smart sidebar right here. This is almost like what Samsung has on their devices. They just call it edge panels, but this just gives you access to different kind of apps that you can use on your smartphone. Just have easier access to it. So I have my smart sidebar cut on. You can have your file docs showing on there also. You can show recent files You can show app names. You can have it auto hide or do not hide. I have it to auto hide, and then I just slide it when I want it, and when I don't want it, it'll just disappear just like that. And I really, really like that feature. Then you also get kids mode. So say you have a kid and they want to play on your phone, but you don't want them getting access to any of your important information or your text messages or pictures. You can come in there and turn on kids mode just for them. Then you get your simple mode. So say you're an elderly person or just somebody that doesn't need access to, that doesn't want access to customizing their phone to the potential that it's able to do. You can come in here and set up your simple mode and be just fine. So now you can get down at the bottom, you get gestures and motions. So you have screen off gestures. Over here you can double tap to wake or turn off screen. You can draw an O to open your camera. You can draw a V to turn flashlight on or off. You can music control. You have your music control. It says use 2 fingers to draw on the screen to pause or resume music, playback, and drawer. But this stuff, I don't need this. I will never use this stuff, so I'm not even going to cut this stuff on. But you do have access to this. This is screen off gestures. This would be in gestures and motions. Then you get swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So if I swipe down with 3 fingers, it'll take a screenshot just like that. That is not bad at all. Then it says touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, or you can just touch and hold the phone with your 3 fingers and it takes a screenshot just like that also, which is not bad at all. I like that it has different ways you can take screenshots. You have air gestures. That's probably a little gimmicky. Answer or mute calls. I have that on. You get raised to wake. So if you raise your phone up, it'll wake it up just like that. That's a nice feature, but we don't need that. It has lift to ear to answer calls, auto switch to receiver, flip to mute incoming calls. So I'm going to actually test this out. So say someone is calling you, but you are in an important meeting and you do not want to answer it. So let me call my phone right now. All we'll have to do is do what it tells me to do, but let me call it real quick. Okay, so I'm calling it. So it's ringing, but you don't want it. You flip it, and it hangs up on that person or on that call, and that is a really nice feature to have, because you could be somewhere in an important meeting or in a class and your phone might happen to ring, but you don't want to answer it right then at that moment, and you don't want it to keep ringing. All you do is just flip your phone over and it'll shut that call off. I really, really do like that feature. Then you also get, that was in gestures and motions. Then you also get like screenshots. This is what we were just going over with, but it is oodles and oodles of way to take screenshots on your OnePlus device. So like I said, you do get the 3-finger swipe down. You get the 3-finger touch and hold. You get power and volume down buttons. So if you do the power and volume down button, you can also take screenshots that way. You get delete original images after editing. You can do that. It has delete screenshots after content extraction. It says screenshot notifications. It says screenshot sounds. You also get to where do you want your screenshot to show up. It can show up on the left or on the right. I have mine set to show up on the left. Then you also get screen recording. So in here it says record system sounds, record microphone and sounds. If you were recording your screen, it'll record the sound and the microphone at the same time. You get the duration, you get the frame rate, you get the record front camera video. You can do that if you want to do that. You also get video code and format. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.